Hey friends! Today we're making something super easy and delicious. We will need 14 ounces of cookies. The cookies need to be crushed into fine crumbs. This little crumb is exactly what you need. Add 3/4 cup melted butter to the cookies. Mix everything thoroughly. Transfer half of the crumbs to a 9-inch round pan. We make the sides and press them down. With the other half of the crumbs, make the bottom of the dessert, also pressing well with the cup. Now let's start preparing the milk base for our dessert. We will need 3/4 cup sweetened condensed milk, 3 cups milk. Immediately add 1 cup of milk and mix everything well. One cup cornstarch. Mix very well so that there are no lumps. Once the mixture is smooth, add the remaining milk and stir. Put the pan on medium heat. Cook until thickened, stirring constantly. After our mass has become this thick, remove from heat and add 1/4 cup butter. Stir until the butter is completely melted. This is what our milk base should be like. Meanwhile, let's cut the fruit. We need 2 medium kiwis. Cut them into small pieces. 1 large orange or 2 small ones. 1 banana. Our dessert will be incredibly light, fruity, and very delicious. We transfer the chopped fruit to our milk mass. Mix carefully. I also recommend adding some raspberries. This will give the dessert a special flavor. We transfer the entire mass into the prepared form. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss even more delicious no-bake desserts. Decorate the dessert with fruit and leave it in the refrigerator for 3 hours, or better, overnight. Wow! Our dessert is ready. It looks very beautiful and delicious. You will definitely like this dessert. Cook with me easily and deliciously. Bon appetit! And see you in the next video.